Athlytic versus Gentler Streak. Athlytic is a fitness trap app designed to monitor running and cycling performance, while Gentler is a health and fitness app focused on gentle workouts, daily movement, and habit building. Some features of the Athlytic emphasizes performance analysis, advanced workout tracking, and recovery metrics. Gentler Streak focuses on sustainable fitness habits, flexible exercises, and stress reduction. Athlytic offers deep data insights, ideal for runners and serious athletes, while Gentler Streak promotes daily wellness and gentle activity suitable for beginners or those with injuries. For pricing and subscription, Athlytic offers a free trial that requires a subscription for full features. Gentler Streak also offers a free trial and subscription, typically priced lower than Athlytic. Both apps have monthly and annual subscription options. So the final verdict is choose Athlytic if you want advanced analytics for running and cycling with detailed performance insight. Choose Gentler Streak if you prefer gentle workouts, daily movement encouragement, and building suitable, sustainable habits. Both apps are excellent but cater to different fitness needs and styles. Subscribe.